Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to open the guide on FuboTV using an iPhone. Let's get started. First, open the Fubo app on phone and make sure you are logged into your account. Once you are on your home screen, tap on guide at the bottom of your screen. This is the full list of channels and what's currently playing. If a video starts playing automatically, don't worry, you can still see the guide behind it. To move through the guide, swipe up or down to see more channels. Swipe left or right to see upcoming shows. If you want to filter the guide, look at the top of the screen. You can choose all channels, sports and favorites. Tap any option to narrow the list. To watch a channel, just tap on the show or channel name. The stream will start right away. If you are already watching something and want to return to the guide, tap the back arrow or tap live TV again or guide at the bottom, and that's it. That's how you get to the guide on Fubo on an iPhone. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.